brand keeps tapping into its legacy, this time spotlighting the Air Jordan 11 Gamma through the release of Hydra slides. First surfacing in 2013, the iconic Gamma colorway in black, Varsity Maize, and Gamma Blue is being honored in this slide design, while also teasing the sneaker's 12-year reissue. Much like the Bread Hydra slides, this pair mirrors details of the original, including Jumpman branding and patent-inspired aesthetics. Pressure point-informed footbeds are highlighted in blue, complemented by bold yellow accents on the 23 and Jordan text across the strap and license plate area. By keeping the overall structure simple in black, the design draws attention to its vibrant color touches while staying true to the Hydra series' comfort-focused identity. Official photos confirm its October drop through Nike.com/Jordan, blending nostalgia with lifestyle wear. Expect fans to embrace this heritage-driven release.